This is how you are going to cut your boxes for your covers of your sketchbook. So you're going to take your box apart as careful as you can, not to rip the front covers. Double check that your box is large enough for your cover, so this is good. And I like to cut along the side first. That way you know you're not gonna mess up the front and back sections. So there you go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my template and I'm going to actually place it in the center of the box. So I know that I taught you guys to work smarter, not harder, when you cut paper and put it next to the edge. But if you do that, you're going to have pieces of the folded box in there and it's going to mess your cover up. So you need to have it right in the center. And you're going to hold your box, your template down with your non-dominant hand. So again, that hand is your non-drawing hand. And you want to hold it nice and firm so it doesn't move on you. And you're going to trace the template cover. So this template cover is 7 by 9. And our pages for this sketchbook, as talked about in previous videos, need to be a 1/2 inch smaller. That way they are completely inset on your cover, or from your cover, and are protected. Now that I have my templates traced on my box, I will take the scissors and carefully cut out the boards for my covers. As always, when you do a project here in the classroom, please be sure to write your name and period on both of these boards, just in case it gets misplaced. We are now ready to start the covers.